Inside every single cell in your body, there is a clock, not a metaphor. An actual molecular mechanism cycling on a 2-4 hour rhythm. It ticks whether you are awake or asleep, whether you notice it or not. This clock has been running in living organisms for roughly 400 million years. And most people alive today are breaking it before they even go to bed. Here is what that is actually doing to you. Before we get to the damage, you need to understand something almost no one learns in school. This is not one clock, it is trillions of them. Every organ in your body runs its own version of this rhythm. Your liver has a clock, your lungs have a clock, the cells in your skin have a clock. Your brain holds a master clock sitting right behind your eyes, whose entire job is to synchronize all of them. For 300,000 years, it had exactly one signal to work with: light. Your ancestors woke with the sun. Their bodies registered the specific wavelength of morning light. That signal reset every clock in every cell in their body at the exact same moment. But that is not what is resetting your clock right now. Right now, your body is reading the light from your phone, your laptop, your overhead bulbs, and your brain cannot tell the difference. Blue light is the dominant wavelength in every modern screen. It is also the same wavelength your circadian system evolved to use as its primary reset signal. When your brain detects blue light, it concludes one thing: it is midday. Which means that at 11 pm, lying in bed scrolling, your body genuinely believes it is noon. Your cortisol is rising, your digestion is switching on, sleep hormones are being actively suppressed. You are not just staying up late, you are running a biological experiment on yourself every single night. And the results have been quietly accumulating in the data for decades. In 2007, the World Health Organization classified night shift work as a probable human carcinogen. Not the chemicals those workers handled, not stress, the disrupted light schedule itself. Studies of nurses, pilots, and rotating shift workers show elevated rates of cancer and metabolic disease. Their clocks were being reset at the wrong time. And their cells paid the price. But here is the part that should concern you even if you have never worked a night shift. Researchers have a name for it. They call it social jet lag. It is the gap between when your biology wants you to sleep and when your schedule actually lets you. The average adult in the industrialized world carries 2 to 3 hours of social jet lag every single day. That is the biological equivalent of flying from London to New York twice a week, every week of your life. Your body spends its entire existence trying to recover from a time zone it never chose. Chronic circadian disruption is now linked to obesity, depression, anxiety, type 2 diabetes, and reduced immune function. These are not purely diseases of genetics or lifestyle choices. They are, in part, diseases of the wrong light at the wrong time. Your ancestors did not have this problem. Their darkest hour was genuinely dark. Their brightest hour was genuinely bright. That contrast is what kept every clock in every cell synchronized. Most of us have never experienced that contrast in our lives. The fix is not complicated. It is simply inconvenient. Morning sunlight within the first hour of waking. Dim, warm light after sunset. Real darkness when you sleep. Your body is not asking for anything new. It is asking for what it had for 400 million years before the light bulb took it away. If you want to understand the hidden systems running your life without your permission, subscribe. There is a lot more your biology has never told you.